Growing up in North Carolina on a horse farm, that life instilled hard work ethic. It told me how hard life is and how hard you have to work to get where you're going. When I was in high school, going into college, my family ran a local Alkany. It was run by my grandpa who passed away several years prior. My grandmother was running it. My grandmother ended up with a brain tumor. They took it out, but it caused her to have aphasia. It created an issue where my family couldn't redo her will because she wasn't technically incompetent, and it caused a lot of tax consequences for the company. I said to myself, I don't want anybody to ever have to go through this like my family did. I changed my course of action to say I'm going to get an accounting degree and then I'm going to go to law school, because that way I can help families in the same situation or similar situation with their finances. After what my family went through, I just want to make sure that no other families had to go through the same thing.
Sometimes in life, in relationships, things don't work as we planned. And sometimes we have to have others that are unbiased, have no particular interest in our situation to help us navigate it. I want to make sure that I'm being fair, that I'm not being driven by my emotions, make the best decision for my family. I realized I needed an attorney when I knew that I could not make rational decisions. So I really needed the guidance of someone that could make a really good, objective decision. The Virga Law Firm helped me, especially in those times when it was really difficult and it was highly emotion-driven. David was very calm, and he allowed you space to just say what you needed to say. I never felt rushed. I felt that he was very patient. He understood what I would say, and then he would give me a response. He would even make the tough calls if he had to, but by him saying that, it helped me to make the best decisions for my life. I would absolutely recommend the Virga Law Firm to them for the same reasons that they appeal to me.
David's background in accounting is an asset to the Virga Law Firm, because when we have complex financial issues arising from equitable distribution, David's commitment to getting down to the bottom of things, and he shows that not only to our clients, but he also has a great deal of commitment to the community where he lives.
I like serving the Pensacola area. I try to help my clients through the most difficult times and make sure they're understood and they understand what's going on. This is all about people, and I just try to remember that they are some of the best people going through the worst times in their lives. When they're upset, they're going to call and they're going to want to talk to me or talk to somebody here at the firm, because we're the people who they can talk to. I try to be empathetic to all their concerns.
As the founding attorney, my vision for the Pensacola office is to help them rebuild, to show their case the attention it deserves, the attention to detail that David exemplifies, and to help them rebuild a brighter future.
We're going to continue to grow and continue to provide more clients with good legal representation. We're going to continue to do client outreach and community outreach so that we can help our community that we also live in. I'm taking the same work ethic of being out there working with my hands every day as I am in the office and in the courtroom. Here at the Virga Law Firm, we want to help families through their hardest times to reach a better life and help the community to reach greater heights.